Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Hamid. Today I want to discuss about very important topic which is interrelated with all kinds and all ages of the people, and it's about speaking English. Those people who can speak English fluently, we consider them as a smart people. Everyone wants to be a smart people, so I think it is high time to start our journey. But most of the people ask me a question. We understand English, but we can't speak English fluently. What's the problem? And most of the people raise a question. We know about the grammatical rules, and we have known about the vocabularies, but we fail again and again. And how can we do now? Within few minutes I'll try to explain and which step should we follow. If you want to be a fluent speaker, you have to say goodbye some bad habits, otherwise it can possible to speak English. First of all, we have to skip our shyness. We always feel shy. I think this is only main reason. For that reason we cannot be a fluent speaker. We are capable to speak English. We can communicate all over the world by using English. But when we will try to speak English, we fail again and again. When we will start your journey, some people try to demotivate you. You come from the England and you are the native speaker. These types of talks they say, just skip it. And we have negative thought about speaking English. We only use English in front of our teacher, and we use English for the classroom. This is totally wrong idea. When you are gossiping with other people, you will try to speak English. Suppose you are walking beside the road, you will describe all scenario by using English, and you can also some small sentence for describing these types of scenario. And I think this is the effective way to be a fluent speaker, and I also follow these rules, and you can also follow. Comparison is an act of violence against the self. We make mistakes always. Secondly, we have to skip comparison. When we start our journey, we always compare ourselves between native speaker, and I think it's a wrong idea for ourselves, because when we compare ourselves between native speaker, we lost our motivation. On that time we think that we are not as like the native speaker, so that we stay far away from our journey. So just skip comparison and you will try to continue your journey. One day you can be capable to speak English as like a native speaker. Follow the dreams, believe in yourself, and don't give up. And I want to say one talk: if you don't believe in yourself, who will? So you have to ensure your desire and say that yes, I can. Only that you can speak English fluently. Let's embrace the opportunity. It's time to head off. See you again with another video. Allah Hafiz.